Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you. It is a Snapchat filter inspired look. I think it's a Snapchat filter. I actually, I'm not constantly on Snapchat, but I saw this one. Where is it? Right, this one I saw, and I was like, oh my god, I'm going to recreate this, and I couldn't find this for the longest time. So I just Googled, and this came up. That is a Snapchat filter, right? I hope so. I'm not really sure. But anyway, I did this. It's rather easy. Usually there are teeth on, which I'm not good at yet. Okay, I'm trying. I hope you enjoy this look. Give me a thumbs up if you do, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so let's just get started because my battery thing sign is popping up. So I don't know how long I have battery left. Just use this again. It's the last time I'm going to use this. Last time. So excited. Just white all over the face again. The perks of being a clown. Or turning yourself into a clown. I'm not worrying too much about the mouth or the nose area, to be quite honest. Remember when I said what the last video was, the Pennywise video? I'm not really sure. Even though I don't like these colors, but I wanted to buy a new pack of these. Lo and behold, the dream I had that night was me going to a supermarket and actually checking out the Halloween makeup. Why? I don't know. So given the fact I don't have any white left, I just use this. It's just me, or do these pencils work better than the actual paint? So I think I'm going to do the eyebrows first. I actually have a liquid liner. This is by Mellow Cosmetics. This is the Precision Pen Eyeliner, and I have a code with Mellow Cosmetics if you want to buy something. It's all in the info box below. Stuff like this, like rounded, and then up. Up and down. Whoop. What it looks like. Oh god. I look like a painting by Salvador Dali. Doesn't have to look the same. You're a clown. Okay, doesn't really matter. Then I go in with blue, which again I have my C2 color. Can you I haven't used this that often, and I'm using it constantly for these Halloween looks. Of course, the picture is a selfie, so I think the right eye is blue, the left eye is green. Start with the green because it's my favorite color. So I think I'm gonna use Aaron, which you can't see. Hold on. This one. Also, I decided to not set this anymore with baby powder because honestly, it didn't really make a difference. Let's be honest. Ooh, this looks so much better with eyeshadow. Should have used eyeshadow all the time. Actually, I'm now realizing there's also a little bit more. It's like a little line. Whoop. Whoop. So I've posted all of these looks on Instagram, and somehow nobody even likes it. Now I know it is clowns, not everyone likes clowns, right? But Jesus, give me some love on my Instagram pictures, for fuck's sake. And for the blue I take Anika, because that's the only blue that's in here basically, apart from this, that's shimmer, so I use this one. I have a lot of fun with this, but like I said, somehow no one's really liking the pictures. Sad. I mean, the videos are being watched quite a lot, which, thank you so much, thank you, really appreciate it. But yeah, the pictures just not. Can I give a huge shout out to Essence Cosmetics? That I used their lipstick, obviously. I will use it today as well. I linked them on Instagram, and they actually very often reply back, which I really appreciate. That's nice. I like it when companies do that. Oh god, I don't have another brush. It's gonna be nice. I'll use my finger then just to apply some black. This is Ash. Ash Ketchum. Also, this shadow feels very ashy. Maybe that's why they got the name. That's no shade. It's just it feels weird, touching that. It just doesn't really feel like a eyeshadow. and a bit underneath as well. How am I better at applying makeup with my finger than I am with my brush? Then I'll line my eyes. Do you see that liner? Do you see that wink liner? I will never be able to recreate that. So then try to blend this into the black. Okay, and then I will put white everywhere where this is not hitting. So basically, right over here. Okay, like I said, this is good. It's not good at all. Oh my god. Oh god. I made it grey. Have I told you that I started to write down my dreams, you know, in dream journal? And somehow they all involve school. That's my nightmare because I hated school. Not the learning process so much, but school itself. I just use a bit of mascara, and yes, this is by Maybelline, which is not cruelty free, and I know that, but I told you sometimes we don't have any cruelty free makeup over here. Which sucks. And also, this mascara was almost 15 bucks. Who are you to ask 15 bucks for a mascara? Or let's say a drugstore mascara. Who are you? And if that was enough, you also test animals? What the fuck? Jeffrey, what the fuck? Can I just give a huge shout out to Carol for being in the documentary? Yes, I love it. I haven't told you that this sweater is new. Got it yesterday. Hold on. It's cute. Got it yesterday at H&M because we went shopping and I just hated my outfit. I hated it so much. I don't know why. Just like I hated my shirt that I was wearing, my pants, my shoes. I hate everything. So I went shopping. There are a few lines. So with the blue one, it's basically just up like this, then down. Here's a dot. Somehow here's a heart. And you tell me I suck at makeup. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually really easy to do. Honestly, if I wasn't filming a video, this would be done in like, I don't know, 5 minutes. But given the fact I'm filming a video, it takes me a bit longer, obviously. So also some lines over here. And some lines down. It's like this, I guess. Okay. Make them a bit thicker over here and just try to make it look as good as possible. The nose is actually very red. So again, use my finger. It's pretty big over here. And just following the natural nose. I'm currently reading a book, in case anyone cares. Are you surprised I'm reading a book? No, no one is. Basically saying that you should not let other people bring you down. Which is what, sadly, a lot of my friends are doing. You know, I know that a lot of friends don't see social media as a job. Granted, I don't make a lot of money. I don't make any money on social media. Okay? But even if I had some nice ideas, they would still be like, that is not a real job. Like, shut up, it is. The mouth is basically just like this. Can you see the outline? I don't know if you know, but I got into the reselling business. Basically, going to the thrift store, buying things and then selling them online. And I just know if I would tell my friends about that, they'd be like, oh, is that even legal? Or can you even make money from that? Or do people buy this? You know, like bringing you down. So this is my call to you. Don't let other people bring you down. If you are excited about something, oh my god, this is not working. If you are excited about something, be excited about it. Don't care what other people think. It took me years to realize that, but it doesn't matter what people think. As long as you are happy about it, go for it. I constantly have that people are trying to take the wind out of my sails. Well, constantly, I mean, constantly. You know, I get excited about things, and then people just bring my mood from around 100 down to 10. And I'm at that point of my life, I'm just like, I'm not gonna deal with your bullshit. So the mouth is red, and I want to keep some black over here, so I'm gonna fill this in. You have such friends as well that constantly bring you down. You know, when you're excited to tell a story, they're just like, oh, I don't know, just trying to make you feel bad about it. Yep. Gonna lose a bit of black because it's not that intense black in the picture, at least that I have. I guess I just need supportive friends. If anyone knows some, hit me up. It's kind of strange that people I've met on YouTube are better friends than my actual friends. Like, I'm not gonna call people out. Also, they're not watching my video, but if they're watching my video, you know who it is. So, and then just black in the mouth area. I will not do the teeth because I'm not that good at it. Okay, I'm trying to evolve in my cosplay thing. I'm not that far yet, okay? I'm trying, but I'm not. So just black around the mouth area. This black is horrible. My goodness. Okay, now I have it all over. Great. And just last but not least, a bit of white over here because I don't text me, I'm busy. I know Teddy loved that. See? I've never met that guy. I will make the channel below. We never met. But we constantly comment on each other's videos and we talk. I only have one, I mean, apart from my boyfriend, I only have one friend. We don't even talk that much, you know what I mean? Like, real life friend. Like I said, it's crazy how people you've never met before or you only met online are better friends than the actual friends. You know? Rachel, for example, Rachel the Great, love for channel below. Kara, that I mentioned. Like, how is it possible? Basically, this is it. Can watch me. Hold on. You don't see my trash can. Watch me put this away now. Oh god. Oh no, I lost the pencil. My dog is like, should I go and get it? No. This was the last clown look for this year. Maybe not. I mean, I have some few more planned and screenshotted. You like it? I love it. I still am scared of clowns. Really, you know, with writing down my nightmares, not with nightmares, but writing down my dreams, I never had something with a clown. Okay, maybe I don't hate them as much as I thought I would. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Next video will be a face mask because I need a face mask for this. Subscribe to my channel already. Don't forget to check out Miller Cosmetics in case you want some of that makeup. If not, then not. No, it's designed in New Zealand. Never been there, but I want to go. Don't have the money. I don't know if I told you, but we want to go to Hawaii next year. I don't think I have the patience to sit in a plane for that long. Oh my god. How long is that? Have you watched the podcast with Snowden? Have you watched that? Like Edward Snowden, of course. And ooh, like the things he said, I will link it down below. The things he said. And actually, I was on Twitter, and someone made the and tried out with Alexa. I think it was Alexa, just asking, "Hey Alexa," so sorry if your Alexa goes up now. Are you working for the government? And Alexa was just like, I don't know what that means. Next question, please. And I was like, okay. So I tried it with my phone, my iPhone. Do you work for the government? No. Oh, nope. And I was like, are you sure you don't work for the government? And yes, it was. Also, something like, I don't know what that means. I was like, are you serious? And ever since I did that, and screenshot it and tweeted it, my phone was acting up. From my country to Honolulu, 22 hours. 22 hours, almost 23 hours. What the fuck? I mean, I think Honolulu is a once in a lifetime thing, you know. I don't like, it's like, if I ever go to America, New York for example, I would probably only go once. Like Australia, but 22 hours of travel. Without further ado, I will say goodbye. Hope you enjoyed this series. Let me know what else you want to see. Inspired looks. I have this full of inspired looks that I want to do, and see you next video. Bye. Am I in focus? How am I supposed to get this off? God, I didn't think about that. This is new. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh, I'll lay down. Oh my god. Can you see it? Oh, hold on. Oh, look at that. You squeaky toy, look at that. Oh my goodness. What? Oh my god. Don't focus on my hand, focus on my dog.